Do you know your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra can reduce overheating while gaming even when it's charging? With this feature, your phone can bypass the battery and draw power directly from the charger. Let me show you how to enable it. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Scroll down the screen, tap Game Booster Setting. Find Pause USB PD charging when gaming, and then turn this option on. With this enabled, your phone will stop charging the battery and use power directly from the charger while gaming. This helps reduce heat and can improve performance. Keep in mind, this feature only works when your phone is connected to a compatible USB power delivery charger with at least 25 watt and your battery level is above 20%. Also, if the option is gray out, it means your phone is not currently connected to a sport charger. And that's how you prevent overheating while gaming on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.